Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. Today I have a favourites. I haven't done a favourites, I don't think, until maybe like October, November time. I missed out on my yearly favourites, which I've been kicking myself for ever since. And then I didn't do a January one, and now I thought I'm definitely going to do a February one. So I don't have a lot because I can't remember what I've been loving the past few months. So I've just gone over what I've loved this month, which are these certain items now. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've been loving, then please keep watching. First off is a foundation combination, which I've been obsessed with. If you guys have watched any of my recent tutorials, I'm probably using it. I've used it today. My skin always looks absolutely insane whenever I use it, and I feel like if I ever use this, I know I'm going to have a good makeup day. And it is this two combination. I mentioned that I love them both separately. Well, I love this separately. This one, because it's matte by itself, I'm kind of like, ooh, I like it, but I don't like being super matte. So I love them together. This one by itself, I'm obsessed with. This one by itself, I do like, but I'm not obsessed with. Anyway, together, I adore this combination. It's Too Faced Born This Way. I have the shade Sand and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 240. So 240 and Sand are my shades for these two. I absolutely love the way they look together. The Too Faced one is quite like dewy, a little bit luminous, not very much, but it's more dewy, more like satiny, like lovely. And then obviously the Fenty one is a matte one, so mix them together. You got a little dream going on. I love them together so much. I got it on today, and whenever I wear it, I just feel happy. Like, I feel like this is what my skin looks like, and I'm just obsessed with it. Love them together. Please go and try it out. Even if you just get samples of both and try them together, you'll love it. And then to apply it, this little bad boy I've raved about non-stop for I think about 2, maybe 3 months now. It is the Morphe, and I'm pretty sure it's called the Flawless Beauty Sponge or Flawless Finish Beauty Sponge, something like that. But it's basically the Morphe Beauty Blender. I've used this non-stop, I swear to God, every single day. I have about 10 beauty blenders and I never use any of them ever since I got this. I do have 2 of these, and I'm going to get loads more because they're insane. They're relatively cheap. I think they're about £8 to £10. I got mine from BeautyBeauty and they're insane. The reason why I prefer this to any others that I've ever tried is this one's a bit more firmer. It's a bit more harder on the skin, so I can really feel when I'm bouncing it in that it's really getting to work. Whereas the beauty blenders, I just feel are a bit too soft sometimes for me personally. And I like that it's got a little pointed tip to get under the eyes. Obsessed. I obsess over this, and for a few quid, try it out. You'll not be sorry, I promise. The next thing I've been loving is the MAC Fluidline in Deep Dark Brunette. I have it on today. I always go for a darker brow even though I've got platinum white blonde hair, just because my roots are still brown, so it's okay. I love the MAC Fluidline, and I'm not being biased just because I work for them, but I feel like even though I've used NARS ones, I've used Anastasia ones, I've used NYX ones, I've used Colourpop ones, I've used pretty much a lot of brands, they always dry up, and I swear to God I've never come across a MAC one that has dried up. And I've had some of the ones that I've got for years. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I've had Dip Down maybe for about 3 years. That is a hand on my heart, honest thing. I've had Dip Down since before I started YouTube, and I've still got it now, and it's still creamy AF. Anastasia dries up very fast. I haven't used an Anastasia Pomade for quite a while now. My NARS one is still probably my favourite one, but I find like it does dry up so quickly. But my MAC one, it doesn't dry up. I really like this shade. I've never tried this shade before, and I really like it. I usually go for Dip Down and like mix it with Dirty Blonde a bit, but Deep Dark Brunette is gorgeous. Like, it's much more natural as like a hair colour. Obsessed. They're so creamy. Just try them out. Oh, I'm so tired. I've got work till 10:30 tonight, and I'm going to fall asleep. I know I am. The next thing is the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlight. This is in the shade Liquid Luminous Gold. I'm in love. It's like a dropper bottle like most of them are nowadays. I gravitate to this more than any other liquid highlights. I gravitate towards this more than my iconic ones, more than my Cover FX ones, everything. It's gorgeous, gorgeous colour. They pretty much are the same to me, like the iconic ones and the, which one did I just say? Cover FX. And this one's like a fraction of the price. Obsessed with it. It's gorgeous, and I want to get more shades because it's so stunning. Like, that is just reflex beautifulness. A powder highlight I've been loving as well. This is also from MAC. This is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Beaming Blush. I've recently hauled this because one of the girls at work used it on me. If you can see, it reflects pink, it reflects gold. It is such a stunning highlight colour. And I was always, I swear to God, I was always scared of this because I was like, I really don't want to be a pink highlight. But I don't know if you guys are going to be able to like see, it reflects off gold as well, and it is stunning because it's one of the Extra Dimension ones as well. It's really gonna reflex off and like pew pew pew, like insane. I don't know how to describe things anymore, but I love this. I love this. And then the last things I got, like I said, it was a very short one because I don't know what I've been loving like the past other months. I will get back into my monthly favourites and make this like a routine thing again. Is a lip combo. If you've watched any of my last tutorials, you'll know that I've been raving about this. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd see that this is pretty much what's always on my lips. It's on my lips again today. It's a combo from NYX. The first one is the liner. It's in the shade Nude Truffle, and there it is. There, so it's quite a deep liner. But then go over it with one of the lipsticks. This is the it's a velvet one or something like that. A velvet matte lipstick in the shade Beach Casual. So Nude Truffle and Beach Casual, and then you get this, which to me is the perfect, like, this is the epitome of the word perfect nude lip combo for me. Obsessed. A lot of it is pretty much already on my face, but I'm obsessed. Like this stuff right now, I feel like if you put that in a makeup bag, I'll be okay. And an eyeshadow palette, but that, I'll be okay. Like, I'm good to go. So if you guys enjoyed my favourites, if there's anything that you have been loving this month, then please let me know. You guys know I love to shop, so whatever you tell me, I tend to buy anyway and I try it out. If you guys want to see these like more in the future, then do let me know. I know people liked them when I used to do them often before as well. That's why I'm going to try and bring them back for you guys. And yeah, that is all for my monthly favourites. I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!